Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, let's get real. When it comes to hitting the gyms, the truth is, many of us kickstart our fitness journey with the goal of sculpting a physique that not only feels good, but looks good too. It's a common aspiration, driven by a desire to enhance our physical appearance and boost our self-confidence. The journey to fitness often begins with aesthetic aspirations, but as we dive deeper into the world of workouts and wellness, we discover that the benefits extend far beyond the surface. So let's find out how you should move from this person to that person. So let's start it. Body goals and aesthetics. Let's get real about our fitness goals. We're here because we want big arms that command attention, a chest that exudes strength, and those coveted six-pack abs that turn heads. It's not just about getting fit, it's about crafting a physique that makes an impact. We're chasing that enviable V-shape that not only makes the ladies swoon, but also has the guys looking up to us. Sure, being healthy is fantastic, but let's be honest. For many of us, the main driver behind hitting the gym is the pursuit of aesthetics. And you know what? The first thing that make us go to the gym is getting healthy. So there are 7 real aesthetic body steps. Step 1. Balancing nutrition. Balancing nutrition for optimal performance at the gym involves a strategic approach to fueling your body. Start by prioritizing protein intake, incorporating a mix of lean meats, poultry, fish, and plant-based sources like beans and tofu to support muscle repair and growth. Enhance your diet with a diverse array of colorful fruits and vegetables, ensuring a rich supply of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants for overall health. Select complex carbohydrates such as whole grains, oats, and sweet potatoes to provide sustained energy during workouts. Include healthy fats from sources like avocados, nuts, and olive oil to support hormone function and joint health. Adequate hydration is crucial, so be sure to drink water before, during, and after exercise to optimize performance and aid in recovery. Tailor your meals to your workout schedule, considering pre- and post-workout nutrition with a balance of protein and carbohydrates for energy and recovery. Monitor portion sizes to align with your fitness goals, whether it's muscle gain, weight loss, or maintenance. To fine-tune your approach, limit processed foods, refined sugars, and excessive saturated fats. For personalized guidance, consider consulting with a nutritionist or dietitian who can provide tailored advice based on your specific fitness routine and individual needs. Step 2. Regular exercise routine. Embarking on a regular exercise routine at the gym involves several key components. Begin each session with a thorough warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for the upcoming activities. Integrate a combination of cardiovascular exercises, such as running or cycling, to enhance heart health and calorie burning, alongside strength training exercises to build and tone muscles, addressing various muscle groups throughout the week. Prioritize flexibility through stretching or yoga to improve range of motion and reduce injury risk. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate intensity aerobic activity or 75 minutes of vigorous intensity exercise per week, adhering to established health guidelines. Allow for crucial rest days to facilitate muscle recovery and prevent burnout. Consistency is key to establishing a habit and witnessing long-term benefits. Keep your routine dynamic by incorporating diverse workouts, preventing monotony, and challenging different muscle groups. Listen to your body, making adjustments if discomfort arises, and consider seeking guidance from a fitness professional to ensure your exercise plan aligns with your goals and health condition. Step 3. Consistent sleeping. Establishing a conducive sleep routine is paramount for optimizing your gym performance and overall well-being. Aim for a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring you get 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine that signals to your body that it's time to wind down. Create a comfortable sleep environment with a cool, dark, and quiet atmosphere to promote restful sleep. Minimize screen time before bedtime to avoid the disruptive effects of blue light on sleep-inducing hormones. Refrain from heavy meals and caffeine close to bedtime to prevent disturbances in your sleep cycle. While regular physical activity is encouraged, try to complete intense workouts earlier in the day to allow your body to naturally wind down before bedtime. Manage stress through relaxation techniques like deep breathing or meditation for a more peaceful sleep. Be mindful of alcohol consumption, as it can impact the quality of your sleep. Investing in a comfortable mattress and pillows that support proper sleep posture can further enhance your sleep quality. If sleep issues persist, consider seeking advice from a healthcare professional for personalized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Step 4. improving mentality. In this step, I will provide important things that you need to make your transformation easier and you can see results faster. The important things are to make sure you keep the word discipline in your mind, because that may make you able to face all the difficulties that may make you stop. My brother, you must know that it is not. This body is easy to get, but if you have discipline, you will get what you want. So bro, make sure you change your mind from all the things we know to get the perfect man. You need to fix that in your mind. Step 5. Motivation. Motivation is not just a way to convince your mind to keep going, but it is a way to make sure you are on the real side. There are many sources of motivation. We also know that you need an environment of people who are more motivated, and they motivate you to continue on your path to achieve the best comeback. And the best version of you makes you more confident than anyone else. So guys, here we are. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. Join the community of warriors committed to pushing their limits and inspiring others along the way.